What's up guys, it's Hayden here, and today I'm going to do a review of this cool flashlight that I just bought. I'm going on a week-long camping trip starting Saturday, and it's a whole 7 days, so I need a flashlight. So I got this Life Gear flashlight, so it's got, alright, so you press the button once, and it initiates, sorry I just blinded you guys. But it's got this flashlight. Then if you hit it again, it enables its red light mode with flashlight. And then you push the button again, just red light. And then you hit it again, SOS mode. And then when you press it again, it turns off. So yeah, it was like $7. It wasn't that expensive actually, but if you like unscrew this top part, there's the little reflector thing. And then if you dump it out, it comes with, well, this is actually the whole module itself, so this plastic part is kind of unnecessary, but you press it, flashlight, press it again, strobe, or red light, press it, red light, SOS mode, then off. And then also inside of the, like, this little flashlight thing, it comes with the warranty or whatever. So I'm going to put it all back together. Hold on a minute. I'm just gonna put this damn thing in. Come on. So yeah, the video's pretty much over. I gotta go fix this thing. Alright, bye.